For turkey with amazing flavor, soft and tender meat, and crispy skin, try our turkey brine recipe. We highly recommend it to anyone preparing a turkey. Don't think of brining as a way to keep your turkey moist and juicy. Instead, brining is for flavor and texture. Brine turkey is more flavorful and tender. I've quartered an onion and cut 2 garlic bulbs in half. We'll use that plus a bunch of fresh thyme and 5 bay leaves. Now measure out a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce or pick a pepper sauce, which is similar and delicious in the brine. We also need 3/4 of a cup of packed brown sugar and 4.5 ounces of kosher salt. Depending on the salt you use, the volume measurements or cups measurement will be different, so check the notes section of our recipe for our tips. Now combine everything along with 1 tablespoon of black pepper in a pot with 2 quarts of water and then simmer for 10 minutes. Allow the brine to cool and then add it to your turkey. I'm using a heavy-duty brine bag, but a 5-gallon lined bucket will also work. Whichever you use, just make sure that it will fit in your fridge or a cooler with ice. Add more water to the brine. You will need 6 more quarts. Then seal the bag very well. I use twine to add an extra layer of protection, but that's optional. Now for the fridge, I keep my bag in a roasting pan, but when I need to brine using a cooler, I just plop it right into the cooler with ice. We have lots of tips for brining safely in our recipe on Inspired Taste. If your turkey is not completely submerged, it's okay, just flip it in the brine halfway through brining. We brine our turkey for 2 days, then take it out of the brine, no rinsing needed, and air dry the turkey overnight before roasting. For a detailed timeline, check the recipe on Inspired Taste. Now to see us roast the turkey in this video, hop over to our helpful video where we walk you through our favorite roasted turkey recipe. In addition to the brine, we use a flavorful garlic and herb butter which makes the turkey golden brown, juicy, and extra delicious. A link is below. See you next time.